Okay, today we have another episode of Dr. Pill. This is just a dire emergency for him. Because since it's Father's Day, we needed to make his father a card, but he needed to use a pencil. And what are you scared of? Pencil. And why? Is it like the eraser, the smell of it, the sharp point? Well, you must confront your fear. I saw this on YouTube. But the girl was scared of pickles.
By doing what?
Ah! Okay, look. Do you see this? Do you see the sharp point? Look, you don't even see the sharp point. Okay. See, it's just the eraser. You touch it.
Careful!
What else is Joseph?
No, give me the pencil. Give me the pencil. Give me the pencil. Go down the stairs. I threw it down the stairs. I don't like pencils. Get away from me. Get away from me. Ow! That's why they're dangerous. That's why they're dangerous. Now what about highlighters? I guess you're not comfortable with it. Highlighters are stupid.
Now what about a pen?
No. Those are sharp too. No.
Hold the pen.
No. Hold they are sharp too.
Got something stuck in your braces. Give me the pen. Give me the pen. I thought you were scared of them. Okay. See, it's just a pen. So you can draw your...
Oh my god! Oh, it's a hole in my face! Ah! Ah! Oh! All I'm trying to do is draw myself. Okay. It's better now. Stupid! You stupid